land up.
So I feel I'm the luckiest person. Back-to-back inductions. So this is our second induction we are doing. Last week we did an induction of 2 members. This week again we are inducting 2 more members. At the same time, we are while retaining our members, we are able to induct new members. That is a great success for a vibrant meetings we conduct in BITP. The proof for that. So we are able to retain as well as induct new members. With that, without taking much time, I would like to induct our new members. Fellow Toastmasters, it is now our duty and privilege to induct 2 new members into the BITP Toastmasters Club. This is an important occasion, but for those new members and for our club. These individuals have come to Toastmasters seeking to improve their communication and leadership. And we now have an opportunity to help them learn, grow, and achieve. I will now call our new members, come forward and ask them to join me in the virtual meeting. Please withhold your applause until the ceremony is completed. Toastmaster Imran Khan and Toastmaster Yunus Abdullah, can you please switch on your VDS and stand up for the oath ceremony, please?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So just to start with, these are our 2 new members which we are inducting today. Toastmaster Imran Khan, as he has given induction, his introduction earlier, he is an IT professional working with the Ministry of Education in a training center. And Mr. Toastmaster Yunus Abdullah working for KPMG as an IT administrator. So welcome to the BITP Club. Toastmaster Imran Khan and Toastmaster Yunus Abdullah, you are joining a worldwide organization that has helped more than 4 million people learn to communicate more effectively. As a member of the BITP Toastmaster Club, you will benefit from a proven program of self-development. You will become a part of an outstanding group of people who are dedicated to helping each other in a spirit of sharing and enjoyment. Mr. Vice President Education, have these new members have been given an opportunity to discuss their needs and goals with the club? Have they been told how the Toastmaster program works and informed of the many they will receive, as well as the obligations of membership? Mr. Toastmaster Ahmad Al Balushi, can you please confirm that, please?
Yes, fellow Toastmasters, dear guests, good evening.
Yeah.
Yes, we do have the training plan that will be given to the new member and to explain the processes within a week time, inshallah. And also, I will be having a session today to explain how these members, including the current ones, to register in the pathway plans, inshallah. Back to you.
Thank you, Vice President Education. And also, can you please confirm, do we have assigned as mentors for, who has been assigned for mentors for these new members?
Okay, for Imran Khan, we assigned TM Gangadhar Rao. And for Abdullah, I will be myself, Ahmed Saleh Al-TM, Ahmed Saleh Al-Balushi, I will be the mentor for him, inshallah. Okay.
So now I would like to request the mentors, that is myself and Ahmed, as an please confirm from as a mentors, as an experienced Toastmasters, you have been asked to help these new members get off to a good start. Do you accept this responsibility to pledge to share your knowledge and experience with our new members so they can immediately begin to benefit from their Toastmaster membership?
I do accept. I do accept.
Myself, I have to confirm I do accept that. Now, to new members, membership in this club and in Toastmasters International is a privilege that carries with many rewards. Yeah, it is also a place certain obligations upon you. We are a group of people, but to do things we could not accomplish alone. That is the whole spirit of this group of people here to learn. Our collective obligation is to grow and improve ourselves and to share our knowledge and experience with fellow members in a spirit of enjoyment. This means you must work diligently towards your own self development, evaluate other speeches in a spirit of support and sharing, assist the club in reaching its goals, remain positive and keep smile on your face all the time while you are learning in Toastmaster Club. We ask you, our new members, to dedicate yourself to personal growth, to share this great gift with your fellow members and help keep this Toastmaster Club strong and dynamic.
I commit
New
for that.
members, please, please face your fellow members and affirm your membership by repeating the following words. So the new Toastmaster Imran and Toastmaster Yunus, can you please be ready to take the oath which I'm going to say? Please repeat the words I'm going to say now. Toastmaster Imran and Toastmaster Yunus. Also, you guys have your script. Please use it as you like. Please repeat your name.
I, Yunus
I,
Zaid,
Imran Khan,
In the presence of my fellow members,
in the presence of my fellow members
in the presence of my fellow members
of the BITP Toastmasters Club,
of the BIT Toastmaster Club,
make this firm obligation,
make this form
obligation
to attend meetings regularly,
to attend meeting regularly
and prepare fully for each assignment,
and prepare fully for each assignment,
to apply myself
to apply myself
to the projects
to the
projects
outlined in the Toastmasters education program,
outlined in the
Toastmasters education program,
to participate actively in club activities. To evaluate others in a positive, constructive manner, to build open, friendly relationships with my fellow members, and to bring other new members into the club, so that they can also gain the benefits of Toastmasters. Thank you, Toastmaster Imran, Toastmaster Yunus. Now you have officially completed your oath. Now I would like to all club members, please stand and repeat your club's pledge to its new members, please. We, the members of the
Bahrain IT Professional Club,
Toastmaster Club, pledge to support you in your quest for self-development, to provide you with positive, helpful evaluations, to maintain a friendly, supportive atmosphere, to give you opportunities, to help others,
to help others,
and to make your Toastmasters
and you make your
Membership.
Toastmasters
Make your Toastmasters
membership a rewarding
a rewarding
membership a rewarding
and fulfilling experience.
and fulfilling
and
experience.
fulfilling experience.
Thank you. You may take your seat, all the members. With that, we come to an end of the new members induction, and welcome to the BITP Toastmaster Club, Toastmaster Imran Khan and Toastmaster Yunus Abdullah. Back to you, Mr. President.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.